Hi, my name is Paul, and what we're going to do today is deal with the basics on Excel of multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. We've already done addition and subtraction. Now we're doing multiplication and division. Okay, simple stuff. Let us look what we got. Let's put a number in here, 5, and we'll multiply it by 3. Okay, we're going to put the answer there. So the key to this is methodology. So the key is you put an equal sign in your cell. Anything with an equal sign says, tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. So that's the equal sign is asking you to tell me what to do. It is like any other math. So we're going to take column A, row 2, column A, row 2, which happens to be a 5, and we're going to multiply it by, so to multiply shift 8, multiply by column B, row 2, column B, row 2, there it is. So it's 5 times 4. So it asked me what I wanted to do, and I'm saying I want you to multiply 5 by 4, 5 by 3, 5 3s are 15. That was simple. Okay, so that's the simple bit. And again, let's come up with some numbers, make them a bit more awkward this time. 27.34 and 1095, 1956.3. There we go. Right. And again, the command sign, the equals. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. I want you to multiply column A, row 3, which is the number 27.31. There it is. Column A, row 3. And I want you to multiply it, which is shift 8, by 1956.3, which is column B, row 3. Column B, row 3. Okay? It's that easy. And then we do a carriage return, and it calculates it. Now, this is actually better than a calculator. It does things beautifully. It's a very clever piece of software that allows you to do all sorts of things. We're looking at the basics now. So the basics of multiplication and subtraction. So this time what we're going to do, we're going to take 43 and we're going to take a negative number here, multiply it by 23. Okay, again, equals, tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. I want you to multiply column A, row 4, and I want you to multiply it by column B, row 4, which is minus 23. So in theory, this should come out as a negative number. There it is, minus 989. Just to prove a point here, I want you to see that it follows maths. So we're going to do minus 3, and we're going to times it by minus 7. Okay? So again, equals 3 minus 3, and we'll use shift 8 and then minus 7. So we'll multiply minus 3 by minus 7. It should come out as a plus. 7 3 is 21. And it does. So it follows the rules of maths. 2 minuses multiplied together become plus. 2 minus multiplied by plus becomes out as a minus. So everything is correct. Let us look at division, shall we? Let's look at division. Okay, and division by. just having to correct this. So what I've done to correct it was I went up to the formula bar and added letters in behind what I'd done. So there we can go on there, and there it says divide by. So the numbers I want to use are, we'll use the same as before. 5 divide by 3. Okay? Equals, right? So far so good. Equals 5, column A, row 7, and divided by column B, row 7. And there it is, 1.666667. It's a recurring number, but it's simple. Okay? So again, we can use 27.34. I'll multiply that by 1, or divided by 1956.3. So it doesn't matter how big the numbers are, how little the numbers are. You tell it what to do. You tell it. You're in control. So you're telling it to divide this number, 27.34, by this number. So we put the backslash in there. That tells the computer, I want to divide, and you put it in there. So it's A8 divided by B8. And it is a small number, which you would expect. Okay, so far, let's have a look at this next one. 43 and minus 23. 43, okay, equals. The equals is say, I am in control. Tell me what to do. I want you to divide 43, A9, by minus 23, which is column B, row 9. Okay, you're in control. Divide, and there it is, minus. So it's following the rules of maths. Minus 43 divided by minus is minus. And the next one, minus 3, using the minus sign, and minus 7. Okay, there it is. Again, you've got to use the command. E is a command. Tell me what to do. I want you to divide minus 3 by minus 7. Now, minus divided by minus should be a plus. Let us have a look. And there it is. It is that simple, gentlemen, that simple. It has taken the little bits away from the top, but I can take those back by taking them. There you go. There it is. And we go one more. There. That's it. So everything is correct. Divide by, multiply by, simple. I suggest you experiment. Experiment. Play. Play with simple numbers first, and then start to become more complex. So you can put 3 numbers together, multiply 3 numbers, such as equals. Right, tell me what to do. I want you to take a 5. I want you to multiply 5 by minus 3. And then I want you to divide by plus 3. Now, and the answer is minus 5. Why? Because what we did, we multiplied by minus 3 and divided by minus 3. It cancelled the minus 3's out. cancel. So it follows the rules of math. It cancelled the -3 out. So it shows you can do anything. If we go and look, you can see up here, A7 times A10 divided by B7. So B7 was 3, A10 was -3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1. 3 divided by 3 is a 1. So A7 times 1 is a 1. A7 was 5, but there was a minus in there, became a -5. So what I'm suggesting you should do, go in and play. If necessary, come back and look at the video. Take a screenshot of what we're doing so that you can remember everything. But we're using just basically the minus, the divide, and the multiplication. We're using 3 signs. Multiplication is Shift-8. Divide is \\, and minus is on the top row just to the right of 0. It is that simple, gentlemen. Have a go, play with it. If you liked what you've learnt today, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. This way, when I upload a new video, you'll be advised. You'll be able to come back and have a look and see what I'm doing now and learn more, because I will be doing more and more and more of this type of thing. Thank you for today, and see you again soon.